Science has unlocked the secrets of atoms, decoded DNA, and sent robots to Mars. But there are mysteries so deep, so strange, that even the greatest minds on Earth have no answer. Today we count down 10 mysteries science still cannot explain. Stay until the end. Number 1 has baffled scientists for over 60 years. If a doctor gives you a sugar pill and tells you it's medicine, your body can actually heal itself. Pain disappears. Tumors shrink. Depression lifts. Scientists know it works. They use it in every drug trial. But nobody knows why the brain can trick the body into healing. The mind is more powerful than any drug ever created, and we have no idea how. Every animal on Earth sleeps. Even jellyfish sleep. If you don't sleep for 11 days, you die. But after thousands of years of science, we still don't fully understand why. We know sleep helps memory. We know it repairs the body. But the exact biological reason we must sleep or die remains one of the biggest unsolved questions in science. We know life exists. We know DNA carries instructions for life. But how did the first living cell appear from non-living chemicals? How did dead rock and water suddenly become something alive? Scientists have theories, they have experiments, but nobody has ever created life from scratch in a laboratory. The moment life began on Earth remains completely unknown. We can see stars, we can see galaxies, but calculations show there is not enough visible matter to hold galaxies together. Something invisible, something we cannot detect, must be holding everything together. Scientists call it dark matter. It makes up 27% of the universe, and we have absolutely no idea what it is. On August 15, 1977, a radio telescope in Ohio picked up a signal from deep space. It was so unusual, so perfectly structured, that the scientist monitoring it wrote one word in the margin. Wow. The signal lasted 72 seconds and was never detected again. To this day, nobody knows where it came from. It remains the strongest candidate for alien contact ever recorded. Right now, you are aware that you exist. You feel emotions. You experience pain. You see colors. But why? Why doesn't your brain just process information like a computer, without any inner experience at all? Why is there something it feels like to be you? Scientists call this the hard problem of consciousness. And despite centuries of philosophy and decades of neuroscience, nobody has come close to solving it. Hundreds of ships and planes have disappeared in the area between Miami, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico. The U.S. Navy says there is nothing unusual there. Insurance companies charge normal rates for ships crossing it. And yet, disappearances keep happening. Compasses behave strangely. Pilots report losing all instruments. No wreckage is ever found. Science has no explanation that satisfies everyone. Every night, your brain creates an entire world. Characters, stories, emotions, all completely real to you. Then you wake up, and it vanishes. Scientists know which part of the brain creates dreams. They can watch you dream using brain scanners. But why we dream, what purpose it serves, remains completely unknown. Some say it processes emotions. Others say it means nothing. Nobody agrees. Nobody knows. The universe is 13.8 billion years old. It contains billions of galaxies, each with billions of stars. Many of those stars have planets like Earth. Statistically, intelligent life should exist everywhere. So where is everybody? We have been listening for radio signals from space since 1960. We have found nothing. Not a single confirmed signal. Not one alien probe. Complete silence. Either we are completely alone in the universe, or something is stopping civilizations from surviving long enough to reach us. Scientists call this the Fermi paradox, and it has no solution. 13.8 billion years ago, the entire universe appeared in an instant. All of space, all of time, all of matter exploded from a single point, smaller than an atom. But what was there before that moment? The question seems simple, but here is the problem. Time itself was created in the Big Bang. There was no before. There was no space for anything to exist in. The question of what came before the Big Bang may be permanently, forever unanswerable. Some things may simply be beyond what the human mind can ever know. And that is our list of 10 mysteries science still cannot explain. The universe is full of questions that may never have answers, and maybe that is what makes it so endlessly fascinating. Which mystery do you find most disturbing? Comment below. We read every single one. If this video made you think, hit the like button. Subscribe to Cosmic Truths for mind-blowing facts every week. See you in the next one. But here is what makes these mysteries even more fascinating. Every answer we find creates 10 new questions. In 1900, scientists thought they understood everything about physics. Then Einstein came along and changed everything. Today, we think we understand the universe. But dark matter, consciousness, the origin of life, remind us how little we actually know. The greatest scientists in history were not the ones with all the answers. They were the ones brave enough to ask the questions nobody else dared to ask. And somewhere out there, maybe in a small room, maybe right now, someone is working on an answer that will change everything we think we know. Science is not a collection of facts. Science is a never-ending journey into the unknown. And that journey is the greatest adventure in human history. And remember this: every mystery on this list was once considered impossible to even ask. The universe does not owe us answers, but it rewards those who never stop searching. Keep questioning everything. The truth is out there, waiting to be found. And that is what makes us human. Not the answers we have found, but the courage to keep asking. See you in the next one.